Welcome to our tutorial on how to change a tire, an essential skill for any driver to have. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of how to safely and efficiently change a flat tire, what tools and materials you'll need, and step-by-step instructions on how to complete this task safely. Why change a tire? Flat tires are a common occurrence on the road and can happen at any time. Whether it's a result of a puncture, a blowout, or simply worn-out tread, changing a flat tire is an important skill to have to ensure your own safety and the safety of others on the road. Tools and materials. A spare tire that is properly inflated and in good condition. A jack. A lug wrench. A flashlight if you are doing it in low light condition. Step-by-step instructions. Position your car on a level surface, as far away from traffic as possible. Turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers that you are changing your tire. Use the lug wrench to break the lug nuts free by turning them counterclockwise. Do not make them loose yet, just break them free. Raise the car using the jack. Make sure the jack is properly positioned and securely supporting the car. Now you can loosen and remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Place the spare tire on the wheel hub, lining up the holes with the studs. Replace the lug nuts and tighten them by turning them clockwise. Lower the car back to the ground. A torque wrench should be used to give the lug nuts a final tightening. Check the air pressure of the spare tire to ensure that it is at the recommended level. Conclusion. Changing a tire may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, materials, and instructions, it's actually quite easy. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely change a flat tire and get back on the road. Remember to drive slowly and with caution when using a spare tire, and get a new tire as soon as possible. Note, this tutorial is a basic guide. It's important to consult your car's manual and use the recommended jack and lug nut torque specs with a torque wrench for your specific make and model before starting. Also, it's important to note that if you have a flat tire on the side of a busy highway, it's best to call a professional service to change it for you. It's not safe to change a tire on these types of roads. Thanks for watching.